option 2. I recommend to use this trading slot when the coin is on the bottom, because with the option 2 you have a maximum of reinvest and you refill your profit all the time in the order book. And so it means, is the coin on the bottom, you will make a 100% reinvest, and when the coin go up you can sell all of them. And with this option you can make, in summary, around 20% more profit than in market. But let's take a look. Welcome back into our METRONIX dashboard. As you can see, I have here already filtered the option number 2, and today I want to explain in detail how you can work with the option number 2 and also how powerful is this option. So let us start again with an Excel file to show you what you can do or how is the option number 2 working. I use the option number 2 for coins I want to stay in. So these are coins I really like. These are one of my, not all of my favorite coins, I have some more, but these are coins I want to stay in as long they are back again to their all-time high. And so I use the option number 2 for coins, for example, also for coins I want to stake on Binance. And here you can see we will take a deeper look today into Stratis BTC. You can see I have opened this spot 1 month ago on the 22nd of February, and now we have the 26th of March, and I make 50% profit. Right now the actual price is 90% lower than the start price, but this is no problem, because if you use a trading slot in the side buy, as you can see here, then the actual price have to be in minus, because if it is not, the bot is not working. So let us check the status, what is going on here into this trading slot. You see here the rounds every time. When we finish a round, it means we make a buy and a sell order. And as you can, we will check first here the order number 1. The actual amount of order number 1 is 106. I will copy this here, order number. And the price was this. Okay, and I also will check here the order with the highest round. It was the order number 14, and we have right now. And I also will copy the price. We need this. Okay, and now we are checking the history, because these are the actual prices and the actual values, and in the history we can see what is going on, what is done last in this trading slot. And when we go down to the bottom, we see in the trading slot 1 we start with 100. Now we have 106. And the order number 14, this is the order number with the highest rounds. We start with 116. So you can see here we have 6 new stratis, and here we have 29, but I have to change this. Here we have 29. And in the beginning I told you you can make around 20 to 25% more profit with the option number 2. Why you can make this profit? Because you make here a reinvest of 100%. This means I always also will check this here with you in status and or in the history page. So you can see here I sold the order number 21 with 138, and I bought 1 gratis more, because every time I reinvest the full amount. We will also check into another trading slot. I think you can see or understand a little bit more what's going on here, because here with Stratis it's only 1 I can buy, but here in the history you see with TRX BTC how strong is this reinvest, because as lower the coin, as more you can reinvest, of course, because we don't can buy 2 in this case, or we have to make a higher amount, because I will show you. This is the actual price. So if I sold here, I create the new order with this price. So this is my selling price, and this is, I have done here a step with, check again, a step with 50. So this is the amount when I sold this. You see, I multiply these two values, and this is the amount that in Bitcoin, these are here BTC. So if I sold this order, I create a new buy order, and this is now the start again. And so this is the start, and this is the value. And you see now in the next round, I could buy 107 and 11, 5, 7, 8, 9, but because in this trading pair, Binance allow only full numbers, so I can buy only 1 more. If I do this with a higher amount, of course, I can also buy 2 or 3 or 5 or whatever. But the main part to understand is in the option number 2, we refill all the sold amount in the order book again. So we will put in always more money into the order book. So every time when the price go up, we buy in the next round. In METRONIX we speak all the time about rounds. We buy in the next round with the full amount, we buy more coins. So if you want to support your favorite coin, this is also a very good option. In summary, you can say with the option number 1, you weak the market, but with all other options you make your market stronger and stronger and stronger, and it will come back. Because every time you refill the order book, and everybody of us know it, if there is no value in the order book, the market will go down all the time. And so when we refill the order book again and again, the order book will be stronger and stronger after every sell, because we refill all the time. And so this is if you want to stay into a coin very long. So maybe if you also use Binance staking, and I do this also with staking coins. You can see it only here in Volton chain. I don't did it like this, but here also in Tron, I'm a very big Tron fan, and I want to support Tron, and so I choose the option 2, because in the time when I was in the sell position, I stake my coins on Binance, and in the time it goes up and down, I refill all the time more Tron in my wallet, and when the price go up, I can take out more Bitcoin. Okay, I hope you understand now what is going on with option 2, how you can handle with option 2, and now we create a bot with this option. First we start here with create. Then we choose Binance and we choose the market we want to trade. After you choose the market, you see here your available Bitcoin balance. You want to take all and copy. Then you have to choose a coin. For example, let's take Algo. We put in here the amount, and for default you have a lot of 20. Of course you can make a lower lot, but we recommend to make a lot of 20, because as more working space you have, as more lots you have, as more secure is that your trading slot is working, and only when your trading slot is working you earn money. Then you can check out here the start price, and let's take status again. Then you can check out here the start price. I recommend you to, if you are new and you don't know how to choose the best start price, I recommend you take the 4-hour chart and take a look here where was the all-time high, where we are now, and then you can minimize your risk if you say, okay, in the last months the value of the coin was in this area, and then you can choose your start. Maybe if I would open this trading slot today, I would choose my start around here on 42 or 40 maybe. So in our version I say, okay, I want to start with 40, and now you have to take care, because right here was the calculation, and with this amount you can buy only 42 coins, but with a step of 1%, 42 of course is too less, because if we reinvest 1% of 42, it will be 0.4, and Binance allow here only integer numbers. So there are two options: load up more Bitcoin, or we have to take less lots. I take here 6 now. You always see the start price and you see the end price. So right now the end price is at the actual market price. So in my opinion, if you really want to choose 6 lots, then in this way you have to reduce your start price and make this here a little bit more. Also 8 is available. So here the coin size, of course, if you use a step of 1%, the coin size have to be more than 100, because 1% of 100 is 1. And if you, but you don't have to panic if you don't can, if the order or if the option 2 is not working, it don't create any problem, but then you're working with the option number 1. Then here you can choose another step if you want. Of course, please take a look, don't choose a step under 1%. Of course you can do it, but here always you have to take a look. I told it in the last video, we have a trading fee, and this percentage always have to be higher than our trading fee. Then you choose here the option coin. You can see also here in the details your profit will be refilled in the order book and open the new order with the sold amount. Here is also explained what is going on if you open this trading slot, and if you press now save, will open this trading slot with this amount. You will create 8 lots and the trading is started. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and I put all important links you need to know below this video. Join our Telegram group and have fun with METRONIX. See you.